Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to create seamless, professional vector patterns for branding, packaging, textiles, or digital designs, Adobe Illustrator is the best tool for the job. With Illustrator's Pattern Maker and powerful shape tools, you can easily design repeating patterns that scale perfectly without losing quality. Before we discuss how to create vector patterns, let's ensure you have Illustrator installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site, where you can download the latest version safely. How to download and install Adobe Illustrator. If you're new to Illustrator, here's how to set it up. Go to Adobe's official website, link in the description, and sign in or create an account. Locate Illustrator in the Adobe Apps list and click Free Trial to start the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which manages the installation for Illustrator and other Adobe apps. Once installed, launch Illustrator, and you're ready to start designing. The free trial gives you full access to Illustrator's tools, including the Pattern Maker, so you can explore everything before deciding whether to keep it. How to create seamless vector patterns in Illustrator. Now that Illustrator is installed, let's go over how to design a repeating vector pattern from scratch. Create your base design. Open Illustrator and create a new document. Use the shape tools, M for rectangles, L for ellipses, or the pen tool, P, to create unique elements for your pattern. Arrange your elements. Position your shapes, lines, or icons in a balanced layout that will repeat well. Use the Pattern tool. Select your design and go to Object, Pattern, Make. Illustrator will instantly generate a preview of your repeating pattern. Adjust the tile settings. In the Pattern Options panel, experiment with grid, brick, or hexagonal layouts to create different styles. Refine and save your pattern. Once you're happy with the design, click Done, and your pattern will be added to the swatches panel. You can then apply it to any shape or background. Scale and modify easily. Because it's a vector, your pattern remains sharp and scalable to any size. With these tools, you can design intricate patterns for print, web, or branding in just a few steps. Before you go, if you haven't installed Illustrator yet, click the link in the description to download it now. Using the latest version ensures you get all the newest design features and tools. And if you're serious about improving your Illustrator skills, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out exclusive tutorials, software discounts, and expert tips straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to learn another essential Illustrator technique, check out the video at the top right corner. In it, we break down how to use the Pathfinder tool for creating complex logos. That's it for today. Have fun designing your vector patterns, and I'll see you in the next one.